5.4 is talking about adding and subtracting polynomials. Let's take a look at the objectives. 1. Identify terms and coefficients. 2. Combine like terms. 3. Know the vocabulary for polynomials. More than one term, polynomials. Okay, in Arabic means ذو الحدود. Number 4, evaluate polynomials. 5, add polynomials. 6, subtract polynomials. Number 7, add and subtract polynomial with more than one variable. Okay, let's go for example 1. Of course, you have vocabulary here. You have to look at the vocabulary and place it in the correct place.
Yes.
Okay. Example number 1. For each polynomials, first simplify if possible. Then give the degree and tell whether the simplified polynomial is monomial, binomial, trinomial, or none of this. First, let's find out what is monomial means. Monomial means only one term. Monomial means what?
One term.
One term. Binomial?
Two terms.
Two terms. Trinomial? Three terms. Okay? So here, how many terms do I have here?
Binomial.
Two terms. So I have two terms. Are they the same?
Yes.
Means x here and x here, y to the power of 5, y to the power of 5,
Yes.
They are the same. So I can simplify it. So what I do, I say x, y to the power of 5, and then 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 give you what? Minus 1. So your answer is minus x, y to the power of what? 5. You can do it directly. No, this is we subtract. You have 2 and you have minus 3. Say again. Okay, for example, if I have 2 minus 3, what's the answer?
Okay, minus 1.
Minus 1. So if I have 2x minus 3x, what's the answer?
Minus 1x.
Minus x. If I have 2xy minus 3xy.
Okay, minus xy.
Minus xy. What if I have 2x y to the power of 5 minus 3x y to the power of 5?
Minus x to the power of 5.
Very good. Next one. How many terms I have here?
2 terms.
2 terms. So it's binomial. Now, is the variable the same or not same?
Not the same.
It's not the same. So I cannot add. Okay. Now, I will just go back one more time to the first one. What is the degree here for the first one? The degree, we look at the highest power. What's highest power here? 5. 5 plus what? So they give you how much? 6. Because we're looking at this together. Because since they are in the same term. Okay. Okay. So now I got the degree. Tell whether simplified. Okay. Anything else he's asking? Nothing else, right? What about here, this one? We cannot simplify, right?
Yes.
Why we cannot simplify? Because the power is different. Here you have 4, you have here 3. Here you have 4, you have here what? 1. So I cannot simplify. And we said what is this? Binomial, right? So this one is binomial and this one also a binomial. What's the highest degree here?
4.
No.
8.
8. The highest degree here is 8. Next one. 5 plus y square minus y
Not the same.
plus y cube. Do we have any? First, how many terms?
2.
How many terms?
This,
1,
this.
2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
4 terms.
Okay.
So it's what? None
Of this.
of this.
Result cannot.
Say again.
Cannot.
Now, can I simplify it?
Yes.
Cannot simplify it.
إذا حطيت هذا زائد 2 ناقص 1 تطلع ألفا ولا؟
Because they are not same power, right? This is 2, this is 1, this is 3. I cannot add or subtract.
Okay.
Okay, next one. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms. So in this case, we say none of this. Can I simplify?
Yes.
Yes. I have this one and this one. They are the same. So that will give you a 12x to the power of 5
14.
plus or minus?
Plus
Plus what?
2x.
5.
2x squared plus
Okay.
2.
2. أيوه.
Is that clear? So I simplify. That's your final answer. All right, so let's go to the next one. Number 2. Now, this is like evaluation, right?
تعويض.
Yes. So I have here, what do I have here?
يقول لك مكان الإكس حط سالب 2.
Yes, replace x by how much?
نيجاتيف 2. بس.
Negative 2. So every time you see x, you replace it with what?
نيجاتيف 2.
Negative 2. Every time you see x, you replace it with what? Negative 2. Okay, then in the other color, I'm going to write the 6 plus 13. Here is going to be plus 7. Here is going to be 3 minus 5 plus 2. Okay, 6 times minus 2? Negative 12. Plus 3? Plus 13? 1. Negative 2 squared? 4. 7 times negative 2? So we add or subtract?
نيجاتيف 14.
Negative 10. Negative 2 to the power of 4? 16. Times 3? 48. Negative 3 to the power of 3? Negative 8. Times negative 5? 2 times negative 2? Okay, so I have, if I add this together, what are you going to get? Take away 4. That's your finance. Easy? Okay, so your classwork, please do this now. You have 1 minute to do it. 1 minute. Okay, what is the answer? How much? Minus 19. Correct. If you get minus 19, raise your hand. Good. Yes.
The second one, C. I think the 16 is minus.
This 16 is minus.
I think it's minus. Okay.
So if you have -1 times -1 times -1 times -1, what's the answer?
1.
1. But if you have -1 times -1 times -1, -1. So it depends. It's odd or even.
إذا حدها بدون قوس.
All right, next one. I have to add here, okay? Now, do we have similar or not similar?
Similar.
Similar. So 2x minus 3x give you how much? And -12 plus 22. So that's your final answer. Easy? Okay. I'll leave this for classwork for you. I'm going to do C, okay? Let's do C because I think that you don't like fraction, correct?
Yes.
Well, I like fraction.
We got that.
Okay. First, I have to multiply the positive. How many times?
3 times.
3 times. So that's the first thing you should do. And I have 3 over 4 x squared minus 1 over 3x minus 12. I'll combine the like terms, right?
أيوة.
What's the like terms?
3 و
Let me put it in colors, okay? Let me put it in colors. Okay. So I'm going to take 3 over 4 x squared minus 1 over 3 x squared. Okay? And then the second one is going to be negative 1 over 3x plus 2 over 9x. And then negative 12 plus 3. So the easiest one is the last number, right? This one. How much
Negative
this
9.
one? How much this negative? 9. Okay. What about those? I have to find something called common denominator. Common denominator. In Arabic, it's called توحيد. Okay. So what should I do with the 3 and the 4? Right. So let's do this. So this one is 3, right? Now I'm going to multiply here by 3 and here by 3. Here multiply by what? 4 and here. So if you play in the bottom, you play in the top. If you play in the top, if you play in the right, on left. So 3 times 3?
9.
9 over what? 12. And then the other one is what? 4 over?
12.
Okay. Here, I have 3 and 9. What should I do? Multiply the 3 by what?
9.
By 3 and this by 3. So you get what? Negative 3 over 9 x plus 2 over 9. Do I change this? No, because it's the same. Okay. So I have here 9 minus 4. What's the answer? 5. 5 what?
X.
Over what? 12. Minus 3 plus 2 give you what? 1 over what? 9. And don't forget the
9.
minus 9. That's your final answer. Easy? Okay, I will leave this for classwork for you. You can do it after we are done. Let's go for subtraction. I know you don't like fraction, so we're going to do the fraction. Okay? So I have 5 over 8 and 1 over 3 x. So this is, let's put it in colors, all right? Let me write it again. So first I have to distribute, right? How many times? 3 times. So it's going to be minus 2 over 3 x squared plus 3 over 4 x minus 5. Why? Because minus times minus, how much? Positive. That's why when you multiply here, become positive. And we still have 5 over 8 x squared minus 1 over 3x minus 7. No changing here. Now let's put in the color, okay? The blue first. Which one is the blue? Is the constant. This is called constant. And then we have this one. And then we have a square, x squared. Now let's combine them together. So we have 5 over 8 x squared minus 2 over 3 x squared minus 1 over 3 x plus 3 over 4 x minus 7 minus 5. So which one is the easiest one?
The last one.
The last one. Give you how much? That's it. That's easy one. Now let's go for here. 8 and 3. What is common? LCD? 24. So I have to multiply this times what? 3 and 3. And here 8 and 8. What about this? 3 and 4. What's LCD? 12. So multiply this times 4. Up 4. Here 3. Here 3. 3 times 5 over 24 x squared minus 16 over 24 x squared. Here minus 4 over 12x plus 9 over 12x. Now 15 minus 16. Negative 1. X squared over 24. Negative 4 plus 9. 5. Positive or negative? Positive. Over what? 12. And I'm just bring this down here. That's it. Easy as easy. That's your final answer. I'll leave this for classwork. Now let's go for the next one. Now this one is a long one. You have to be careful with this. I'm gonna tell you first what should we do. Distribute the negative, right? Okay. And I'm gonna write this again. I will, inshallah. So let's put the colors. Now 7x cubed. Do we have 7x cubed here?
Yes.
Where the x cubed? Yes, we have. No, we don't have. We don't have? We don't have. You sure we don't have x cubed? Yeah, we don't have. We don't have x cubed. We have x cubed? Yeah, we have. Yeah, we have. Here, this one. Okay. Any x cubed more? That's it. Next one. Do you have x to the power of 2y?
Yes.
Where? This one. Any more?
Yes, minus 5.
7.
This one, right? Anything more?
Yes, minus 2x.
This one?
Yeah.
No, this one, no. Because this one,
The power and
the power here is for the 2. So we cannot take that, okay? Clear or not clear? Okay, so next one.
7.
We have 7 to the power 7x y squared.
في ثنتين.
We have this one,
و 2xy.
and we have negative 2, negative 2x y squared. Now the last one is y cubed. Do we have y cubed?
ايوه عندنا y cube.
Okay, so that's good. So let's write it down, okay?
بتكون اسهل.
So 7x cubed, the yellow one, what is the yellow one? 2x cubed. So I'm done with this and this. Now the next one is the green one, right?
Yeah.
4x squared y, then with this, and then we have plus 5x squared y, done with this, and then negative 5x squared y,
يروحون مع بعض.
done with this. Next one, what do we have? The blue one, right? 7xy squared plus 8xy squared minus 2xy squared. So I'm done with this, the blue. Left with the yellow one, right? With the red one, negative 3y cubed, negative y cubed. All right, so let's do that. This together, how much?
9x. ايوه.
And this together, how much?
لا ايوه. 4x square y.
That's it, because this one, they cancel.
ايوه.
Okay, what else?
Plus 13x y square.
This one together, right?
ايوه 13.
So that give you
13
6 and 7, 13, so 13xy squared. And we have
minus
last
4,
one,
minus 4.
y cubed. Easy as easy?
Yep, that's the answer.
That's a fine answer. So we are done with that section. Please now sit in groups and do the classwork. Now, sit in groups.